In today's video, I'll teach you how to fix Telegram links not opening. So if Telegram links are not being opened on your device, there might be various reasons behind it. The first reason might be unstable internet connection. So make sure you're connected to a stable network. After you do that, you should be able to fix the problem. If the problem is still not fixed, make sure the VPN is not enabled on your device. Also check the link validity, ensure the link is not expired or incorrect. After you do that, your problem should be solved. If your problem is still not solved, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache of the app. For that, launch open app library of your device, find the application for Telegram and long press on it. Now tap on this option app info that you can see on the screen. Now once you do that, you'll be led to the app info interface of Telegram. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option storage and cache that you can see on the screen. Now tap on the option clear cache that you can see right over here. After you do that, the cache of the application should be cleared and the Telegram links must be opened. If still your application is not working, what you can do is simply try updating the app. There might be some temporary bugs, so for that, launch open Play Store on your device. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now what you have to do is search for Telegram. You'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for Telegram and tap on it. Once you do that, tap on the option update that you can see on the screen. Now what you have to do is wait until Telegram is updated. After the Telegram is updated, your problem should be fixed. If your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the Telegram application and install it again. After you do that, the problem will be fixed. If the problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. There might be some temporary software glitches, so long press on the power button. Now you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart and the device will be restarted. After you do that, your problem will be fixed. So that is how you fix Telegram links not opening. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.